So peaceful. This is heaven. No stress, no noise, just quiet. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Nothing can disturb this. No. Stay in the dream, please. No, my spa! My beautiful, quiet spa! Michael! Michael! You're doing it again! Mom? We can't sleep. It's too loud.
It sounds like a monster!
I know. Mommy will fix this. Nose strips. These should work, I hope. Just stick it on nice and easy.
Will it work, Mom?
Stay still! Are you kidding me? Okay, plan B. This is the chin strap for stopping snoring.
This has to work. That looks weird.
Come on, just hold still for 1 second. It's quiet. Wait, his cheeks.
He's gonna explode! It's louder now! He looks like a ninja!
Nothing works. I tried everything.
Mom, please!
Okay, that's it. He's going downstairs.
Michael! Wake up!
Huh? What's wrong? Did I snore again?
Yes. And I tried the nose strips. I tried the chin strap. Nothing worked. The kids need to sleep.
But honey, you snore sometimes too.
I do not, Michael. Go to the couch, please.
When you're really tired, you do.
What did you say?
Nothing! I'm going. I'm sorry. I don't mean to snore.
I know. Just go sleep on the couch, please.
The couch again. My second home.
Finally, peace and quiet.
Can we sleep now?
Yes. Back to your room, quick.
Here we go again. Too hard, too soft. Why is this couch so uncomfortable? Can't sleep. Too awake now. Oh, I'm hungry. Maybe just a small snack. Something quick and quiet. Let's see, what do we have? No. Wait, spaghetti! Perfect! Ha! Just boil some water. Super quiet. No problem. Just some water, nice and quiet. No one will know. There we go. Nice and easy. Looking good. This will be delicious. Whoa, that's a lot of steam. Should I turn on the fan? No, too loud. Everyone's sleeping. I'll just let it clear naturally. Smart thinking, Michael. So smart. Anna would be proud.
Finally, peace and quiet.
The smoke alarm? Oh no! The whole house will hear you! Shh! Turn it off! How do I turn it off? Chair! I need the chair! Stop beeping!
What was that? I have to get out of here!
What was that? I have to get out of here! Please stop! Please!
What is that noise? Is it 3 a.m.?
Mom, is there a fire?
No fire, just your father. Follow me!
Why is Dad in the kitchen?
To destroy our sleep. Let's see what he's doing.
Are you standing on a chair fanning the smoke alarm with a cookbook?
I was making spaghetti, and I didn't want to use the fan because it's loud. But then the smoke alarm, and I thought if I just.
Turn on the fan now!
So I was worried the fan would be too loud, and instead I set off every smoke alarm in the house.
A smoke alarm at 3 a.m. for pasta because you didn't want to be loud.
I was trying to be considerate, and I'm really hungry.
Are you serious? Just finish your pasta. We're all awake now anyway.
Okay, crisis sort of over. This is really good!
Wonderful. I'm so happy for you.
Much better. I'm full now. Okay, now I can sleep. Good night, everyone.
And he's snoring again.
Not this time. He's on his back. That's why he snores. We need to turn him on his side. Emma, you push from that side. Jack, help me from this side.
Got it. He looks really heavy.
That's why we all push together. On 3. 1, 2, 3, push! I think it worked! Shh, don't jinx it. Now we wedge him in place so he can't roll back.
Like a pillow sandwich.
Exactly. He can't roll over now. Mission accomplished. Let's get some sleep.
Finally, it's so quiet.
Bow, before anything else happens.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. For real this time. Finally, Peace, quiet, sleep. It's so quiet. Too quiet.
What was that? Dad, are you there? Are you eating cookies without me?
I'm scared. I need to find my sister. Hello? Are you awake?
Emma, you awake?
Yeah,
Can't sleep.
It's too quiet. I don't like it. It feels weird.
Me neither. Like something's wrong.
it's too quiet without Dad.
Yeah. I miss the noise. What if monsters come?
Dad will scare them away, even in his sleep. Can we sleep with Dad on the couch? Yes, the couch is safe. Let's go downstairs.
I just want to hear Dad snoring. Is that weird?
It's not weird. I know what you mean.
It sounds silly, but Dad's snoring makes me feel safe.
Finally. Listen, the snoring beast is here.
He's still snoring.
Good, that's good. That's good. Right here, by Dad.
Close enough to hear him. Better now?
Yeah, much better. I can sleep now.
Good night, snoring monster.
Ugh, make it stop. Why did I set an alarm? It's Saturday! Okay, I'm up shopping.
Morning already? Wow, I slept well. You little sneaks came down here. You needed your old dad snoring after all. Anna should be down by now. We have shopping at 8:30. Anna? Honey, you awake? We're going to be late. Anna? I'm coming in. Oh my God. She is snoring! So she snores too, even louder than me. Ironic. Poor thing, she was so tired. No wonder she's snoring. She earned this sleep. Sleep well, honey. Shopping can wait. Shh, let her sleep. She'll never admit she snores anyway. Sleep well, you two. Mom needs sleep too. I'll make breakfast for everyone. When they wake up, no rush. No smoke today. I am watching you. The fan is ready.